Oh, hello, everybody. How are we doing on the crashy day? Oh, man, my windows are not even updated here. There we are. We are all the way at the bottom. Are we trying to catch the knife? I've been trying, and I got smoked today. Down about 6K across all my accounts. Blown up this TopStep XFA. Blown up my TPTs. Got a couple of my funded future families left here. Watching VIX at 17 here. Long in it. Out of two. It's a rough day. Torched all my accounts today. Um, not gonna open my AlphaTrader funded account yet. It's my last funded account. Start that one on Monday. Um, Stopped out, or I guess DLL'd out of my next gen. Let's see how that turned out. I think that was DLL, not a complete torching of every funded account that I have. Negative 1200 today. Yeah, just DLL. Just DLL over there. I'm fine with that. Trade is really working out over here. That's my second max profit on Funded Futures Family. I think I'm out of accounts here. 1600 is kind of the target there. Oh, here's a freshie. Here's a freshie. Okay, watching 1706 on the VIX. Oil just bottomed. Oh man, 58. We're hovering around the 640 rips level. Way below all of our EMAs here on the 1 minute. Looks like we're trying to catch one. All right, I'm long big here. Oh, I just realized I can start a new TPT. Busted both of my fundeds in TPT trying to catch this bottom. Just start them both. Got two resets waiting over here in TPT land. A little rejection there from the 85 number. Grabbing one more on the 1 minute EMA tap. Cannot use reset. Cannot use credits to reset. 3 credits in there. How many or 1 credit for a new account? Okay, starting a fresh TPT. Oof. Oh man, just dinged out. I wasn't even paying attention over here on my Funded Futures family. That was a fresh one. Freshie just got torched. Losing the 640 level. Brutal day. Okay, there's my fresh TPT. Need only 1,500 on here. Reclaim of the 640. All right, I'm in. Holding 640. My thesis here. 45. 44. 46. My cost basis is 47. There's our bounce out of a couple. There's our bounce. Up 1,000 on that TPT. There's the VIX rejection. Remember, 1,500 is as much as we need on this account. Stopped out. I will re-enter. Heard Matt saying this is, oh, we held MHP. Okay, that was the 614. VIX still pressing here. All right, back in. 60 is my cost basis. See it push here. Out of 1, out of 2, out of 3. Okay, back up a thou wow. Seeing oil getting a little bouncy here. There's oil popping, market dropping. Added 1 on the 40 tap. That was filled at 51. Playing in profit here, using 40 as support. Want to see VIX reject 1725 next. Okay, we held the 40. That's this level over here. 640 even. I don't want more in profit. Just need $500 more. We're not going to hold it for too long. All right, here's our good bounce. Here's our good bounce. Okay, thinking about starting my Alpha funded account here. There's the press. Putting this stop at break even. Contract is signed. Man, we got stopped out and now we're getting the press. Okay, here we are. There's our Alpha funded account. I hate this layup. Long 10 micros from 67. I want to see 60 hold, and then I'll add again down at 40. I like the VIX rejection here. Okay, now I got 15 micros. There's our bounce. Very good. Taking a little bit of profit off. A little bit more, a little bit more. Oil got a pop. VIX got a pop. I added 2 more, so we're full 10 here. Average is 63. $63.25 my average here. Definitely seeing some spice coming into the market here. Oil stick here. That's not great. Remember, we want 40 to hold here. 61 is my average. There we go. There we go. 40 held. Nice. Almost to our entry here. Now we're green on the trade. Still sellers here, though. Rough. Very rough. UVXY is getting a press here along with oil. Let's be cautious here. There's the 40 tap. Starting to lose 40 maybe. See UVXY getting crazy. Want to see it reject. There it is. I'm really losing the 40 here and gave it like a 15-point buffer. Top wick oil, that's good. A bit of an H here. Gotta get above 640 here. Okay, 35 now, 36. Did not get to 40. Didn't even get to 40 to reject 40. This is MHP on Qs, on NQ. I'm buying one more, two more, and I will start to size down. There it is. Oh! Did that pop? What? I don't understand. What is my... That's blocked for liquidation. I don't understand. Hold on, this is confusing. I thought I had 2K of drawdown in that pro account. Very confusing here on my Alpha Funded. That was really weird. All right, I got it on stream. I don't understand why I'm stopped out. We're going to go over to the AlphaFutures and we're going to just double check on our dashboard. Active, account info. This is a funded advanced, 50K advanced is, what are the rules? Do we have no FAQs? Don't see my rules at all. All right, I guess I gotta talk to these guys on the chat. Yeah, there's our FAQs. Wow, big dump under 40. It was not a good trade anyway. Trading rules. Maximum loss limit. It was a $1,500 with a premium or zero account. You're starting MLL. Doesn't have the advanced on here. Okay, monthly subscription. There's maximum loss limit. Balance at the high end of each trading day. Start with a 50K. It's negative 2,000. Okay. I guess I'm going to talk to these guys. This is really great. This is great streaming content right here, guys. Put this over here. Damn, look at this. Glad we got stopped out on our other TPT. We're all the way down to 580s here. $17.50. 1750 MLL. 1750. Fuck, I got it. Definitely hit it. There went my alpha funded account. Okay, I'm long 2 minis from 97.75. I added. There was our pop. Out of 2. Still selling pressure down here, down to 80. God, market is just dying. Down 3% on the day. Just remembered, I've got a Vanquish, which I think I have to trade in my... Let's see, can I? Alright. I took my profit there. 250. Here we go. All right, Vanquish Trader, a options prop firm with a $300 drawdown. That's going to be super fun for y'all to watch. Okay, I'm seeing that top wick on the VIX. All right, I'm long 1 from 76. I want to see a reclaim of 86. And now I'm going to go SPX. Okay, I think this trade's working now. Yep, we're working out. Caught the bottom. $18 on VIX. Here's our VIX Prime. Looking brutal. Brutality. 1801 VIX. I averaged down a little bit. I'm out of one there. Okay, let me go over to wherever SPX is. SPX is at, can't even read the fucking chart. This is not even a usable chart. Oh, here we go. 74.78. So let's go with some 7,500 calls. 73.30. Okay, we're making too much money over here. I'm gonna put a stop in and hope I get stopped out. I have to lose some money over here. Look at that rejection on the UVXY. So good. Gonna do a quick reversal. Gotta lose some money here. Okay. Need to lose $40 now. Need to lose $10 now. $7, $6.50, $4, $1.50. There we are. Hit consistency on our TPT. Good deal. Done with that. That's literally our last account we have left. It's so fucking brutal. We have a practice account over here in the there, I just got long 15 minis in my practice account on TopStep. Let's see what happens. Brutal. Now, how do I get to weeklies? 73.30. Why are we so fucking low? $6.13. Huh? Huh? Reclaim a 600 there is cool. Look at the rejection off 18 on VIX. I gotta pee. Ugh. There goes oil to the downside. I wonder if this bounce is going to have a little more legs on it. Let's see if this was our bottom here. There's all the strikes we were looking for. Okay, so SPX is at 74.60s, and I want a 7,500 for 380. So if it goes to 0, I lose it all. There. Boom. Bye. I don't want to sell, I want to buy it. Oh, we just got smoked on the practice account. Wow, look at that. Rejection. Okay, let's check this out. 74.63. See where that 7,500 is. We're gonna buy it. 7,500. Boom. Boom. Okay. We're gonna see how this goes. Let's go down to our account/orders. Long. Okay. I got filled at 3. How do I sell it? Huh. Okay, 74.60 held on SPX. Nope, 74.59. More downside. Crazy day, you guys. Crazy day. All right, we'll see what happens there. I'm going to go back to my FundedFutures family accounts and just make sure. I think I might have passed one of those today. Just confirming I have no other accounts to trade out there in the world. Reclaim a 74.60 SPX, 18.11 on the VIX. Of course, 74.61 now. Mm-hmm. I'm just going to test all these to see if I have any buying power left. Nope, nope, nope. Rejected. Nope, nope, nope. Rejected. Nope, nope, nope. Rejected. Nope. Rejected. Nope. Oh, here we are. Up 1,700 on that account today. That's as much as I can make there. Rejected. Guess I did not pass one today. Stop disappearing, you fucker. Yeah, up 1,700 in that one. And we busted that one. All right, that's all we can do in the Funded Futures family. See if Legends got my account ready yet. Nope. That's all we got. Check Tradeify. That's it. UVXY, beautiful rejection candle. Feels good for our Vanquish trade. Where are we? Break even. Oh, I've got a. Oh shit! I have an account in here in Tradeify. Didn't even know this was in here. Okay, well we got something to trade. All right, we got something to trade. Good deal. Now we're not bouncing. I think this is a trailing drawdown account. Oh, fucking micros. I wanted minis.
Order filled.
Just got up a few of them in case this is a trailing drawdown account, which I think it is. Out of one more. Yeah, this is trailing. Okay.
Filled. Filled. Filled.
I get 15? I think I get 12. I think we just bottomed here. Watching that VIX. Yeah.
Filled.
There it is.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, we're up 1,200.
Order filled.
Took my profits. Okay, there's NVIDIA bottoming. SMH maybe bottoming. 74.65 now. We're up 50 bucks on that. Nice continuation. There's SMH trying to bottom. We are up 60 bucks, 50 bucks. On our 7,500 SPX options calls. Gonna keep riding that EMA all the way down. Don't need that. Still green. Thinking about adding off of this bounce here, off of the EMA. Added one.
Order filled.
VIX 1798 on the VIX Prime. Added another one. Okay, I'm long 5 from the EMA. Oil is dumping.
Order filled.
Okay, out of 4 at that equal high. Up 2K now on this eval. Not sure what the rules are here. Those are not real. Advanced. Okay. It is an advanced $4,500 drawdown, $9,000 profit target. Good press here. Let's see how that option is going. Still only up 50 cents. I think that's the theta burn you're seeing against that call. Oil's getting hammered here at 90. Very confusing price action here. Oil down, VIX up, but down. Oil 89.98. And there's a 90 bounce on oil. I wonder if that drops the market some more. All right, added one on the EMA tap. That's a profit stop on the first contract. I want to do some more. Oil reclaimed 90 for a second there. There we are, full size there for the bounce. Oh, got a bounce for a second there, but it rejected it. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Busted it, man, busted it. Thought I had a $4,500 drawdown. Oh, 2K profit. All right, well, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, we've officially torched all of our accounts today. Nothing else to be done on this crashy day. We're gonna see if that Vanquish trade works out, but that's all we got left, man. Brutal day. Torched them all. Wonder if I can buy another one. I'm probably going to wrap the stream here, guys. This is just brutal for me. I'm going to go take some time and reconsider my choices. Can't believe I took the day off yesterday and then today just torched it all. Almost made the right choice. Almost. All right. New low of the day on SPY. I'm buying another one. Now I got two. Neon needs to shut the fuck up, but I gotta listen to some giveaway. Very important. So my average is 260 here. $90. Bought a couple more. Let's see what happens. So now my average is 2.275. Hopefully we get a bounce here on SPY. New highs on VIX. 28. Bit frozen here. $200 drawdown. 210. No bounce. Brutal day. $744 on SPY. See if that holds. No 744 bounce. What is going on? Fuck you. Under 740. So gross. Interesting bottoming candle potentially off 744. There we go. Might have bottom ticked the SPX. Whoa. So far we're rejecting 744.37. Definitely need to get above that. Oh, that rejected the EMA. I hold the 744 test here. A little bit of velocity in the market. Hold the 744 test. It's got to get above this 744.30s where that EMA is. $7.44. Will it hold? Will it hold? Fixed 1861. $7.44 did not hold. Brutal. There's a 744 test from below. Nice reclaim. $220 here. Almost break even on the SPX. See if we get a pump. Mean for a second there. Now rejecting from the EMA stack above at 744.50. Break even now. Oil's under 90 here. No love at 744. Look at that fucking rejection right there. Big volume right here. Huge press. I wonder if this is our capitulation here. VIX is close to 19. All right, I bought one more at 182-ish. My average is 219. Get a big dump here. It's gonna. It's very close to 19 here. 743 now. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Added one more. Or did I? That's a great bounce. I don't know if that last one got filled. I want that to be the bottom right there off 743. $743 double tap. 98 on the VIX. 19 even on the VIX. Count. Break 19. Dumper. Dumper. Wow. 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 742.50. $743 tap from below. Oh, I did get that last one in. Still me. Bottom so far. Got to get above the 743.20. We're just going to keep selling off of that 9 EMA. It's 1916. Did it reject there? Still riding the 8 EMA downside. $743.16, the number to watch on SPY. There's the pump. Here we go. Top wick, rough. 89.88 on oil. Top wick on the VIX, rejecting 1940-ish. A little bit of a bottom candle on SMH. These are options, so I can't just sit in this trade. I need to get out of it sooner than later. God, you're so fucking clear, Neil. There's NVIDIA with the bottom, SMH with the bottom. I took off 50% at 744 tap. The 100-point bounce on the NQ. $744.50, little resistance. Up one more. Got two here. Got one left. They're rejecting 744. 744 test on SPY. Here's 744 bounce. $44 now. Will it hold? There's the bounce off the 744 test. That's what we see. $44 again. That 744.50 super resisty. $44.50 testing again. Getting above 51. 52 now. Nice push. SPX not really following that much at this candle yet. Pretty gross hanging man on the 5-minute off of it. 5. Under 744. Getting a little theta burn here. What p.m. See what the new hour brings. Big ol' rejection there. That's no fun. Could buy another one, perhaps. More dip, more dip. 1880 VIX. Double topped on the 744.50. I'm gonna try SPY now. Okay, now we're looking at the 744s on SPY. 744. Want to buy it. Okay, now we got two in here, I think. My long SPX is break even. Where's my orders? Ah, just filled my SPY call. Okay, so I'm in at 136. Pretty much at the money. Want to see that CBC flip hold? Green on both. That 744 call should hopefully withstand some of the theta burn that's happening here since it's in the money. H Qs. I'm gonna go to QQQ. Okay, QQQ is at 715. I'm gonna grab a 715 call. Okay, now let's see where we're at here. 136, we're red, red, green. I think we get a short squeeze into the close. The exit break even. QQQs. You gotta get that CBC flip there, Spy. Damn. Okay, just almost got green on everything. Fighting the H pattern on the Qs, below 715 now. I added to my QQQ. My average is 201. The H. Compared to flatten all, like that button. Break even on the day, just added 2 more QQQs. Bounce I wanted to wait for. My average is 179. I'm green. My QQQs off that average. 79. Break even on QQQ. Green on QQQ. You get that 29,400 reclaim. Very good. Okay, like the CBC flip on the 1 minute on the SPY. I want to see the same thing on the 2 minute on the NQ. $180. It's off of 1 average. Struggling to hold. NVIDIA Nvidia's really got to start bottoming here. From 100 now. Green again on my Qs. Above that 419. Come on. Take off 2 of my QQQs. A minute to update that. Filled yet? Green to red on that position. Green again. Acting. Fill. Market orders have not filled yet. Look at that SPY dumping still. $743 really needs to hold. Okay, I got 2 more on the QQQ. My average now is 170. Found another SPY call too. 118 average. Okay, prepare to flatten all. Still think we're scooping the bottom here. SPY's trying to do a CBC flip here. Losing 743, very bad. Okay, reclaim 743. That was just a test. That's good. Going the bounce so far, 743 reclaim. You see flip on the 1 minute on SPY. SMH on the 5. Nice bottoming candle on NVIDIA. Still rejecting from the EMA stack on SPY. Red on the day. Losing 743 on SPY. Still think SPY gets a bounce here. I'm going to add more. If it got filled or not. Great bounce so far. I don't think that filled. Need to get over 403 on the NQ. XY's got a rejection. Still not even on my chart. At 90. Bye. Here we go. Bounce so far. Average downs are working out pretty good. Didn't even get the SPY average down. All right, I'm going to take off 2 of my QQQs. Get some realized profit there. $744 tap on SPY. I'm in 744s. I'm going to take off 1. $744, nice. Out of that one. 33 filled. There we go. Up 270 on the day. 160 still unrealized. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this SPX at break even. Checked it again off 744 on SPY. 7:15:66 on Q's. Nice rejection on VIX Prime. $7.44 on SPY. Okay, I want to try to get to break even here. I'm not going to limit it. I'm going to do a market order and see where it fills me. Oil's getting a little curl as VIX gets a little pop. $17. $7:15:54. I'm going to take off one with a market order right there. I got 207 on that one. Oil took a little bit of a dive down. See if that gives us a pop on the market. All right, up 321. Starting to lose all of our confluence here. Glad I took off that one in profit. Got to get rid of this SPX. Oh, I do like that bottom wick though. Should we buy one more? Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. Okay, I got a market on that one. So now my average is 167.50. We've got a bit of gotta get above 74.50 up to 74.60. Next stop up, and that's where we can exit out of our trade. Still a little resistance off 744. Get ready to get rid of these SPXs. Ask is at 65. Shows oil on a big pop. Go ahead and just flatten everybody. Watching this gross candle on SPY. Okay, not bad. 752. Oh, come on, 744. Don't just flat out reject. $744, definitely resisty. Push through could be cool. Back to the EMA test. Nice, nice. Let's squeeze up. Let's squeeze it up. Squeeze it up. 65 on the ask. Take me higher. Take me higher, and I'll get out of here. Take me higher. 67 is my average. Take me to 180 maybe. I'll do this as a limit. That. Let's see if it gets filled. Up almost 100% on our QQQ. I'm gonna take that profit, perhaps. Get some shorts closing down here. Fuck them shorts. $44.50 next resistance level up on SPY. Big hit on SPY under 744. Wow, big rejection on the market. Oil also rejected. Very confusing. My SPY calls are still green. SPX is not. Where's my orders? Not anymore here. Prepared to add more SPY down here. There's no need. No need. Back to 744 testing. The reclaim of 744. 2-minute CBC on NQ just flipped. Nice engulfing on that 2-minute. See if they'll take me out of my SPXs. 175. Come on now. We're green on SPX. $175 on the ask. Got resistance on SPX. 156. 44.50 test. Okay, 744.50 needs to pop. Nice, there goes VIX under 1840. 1819 now on the VIX. Let's get this pop here. Take me out of my SPX. There's the 180. There's the 180. Come on. There it is. Took me out. Very good. I'm going to go ahead and get out of my SPY call here also. Actually, you know what? I'm going to let them both ride. Let them both ride. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get out of my QQQ. 269. Personal preference. And I'll put this at 169. You know what? I'm just gonna I'll let the SPX ride. See if that 269 gets tagged. There it is. Took me out. All right, we're up almost $500 on this day. We're gonna let that SPY ride, and I'm gonna go check in. See y'all in a minute. And a SPY rejection from 745. There's the 745 rejection. Let's go ahead and just take our profit. Big rejection. Okay, up 500 on the day on that, and that